Blurring the background during the interviews, especially just like this, requires a certain kind of equipment, especially lens. Not everybody has that. Hence, sometimes the footage is completely flat, meaning everything is in focus, and it doesn't look necessarily good. It's not your fault, it's your lens's fault. But you can fix it because we have AI now. We can fix anything. We can fix everybody's incapability or lack of skills. And I'm not trying to offend you. Learning is important, but maybe you edit footage from somebody else, or maybe you just don't have the right equipment because certain equipment costs money. So if you do like a low budget production, but you want to make it look nice, I'm going to show you something. It is incredibly quick and free. Of course, you can get paid version, which I would suggest actually, because I have it and it's awesome. Search Runway AI. I'm going to put the link in the description of this video as well. Click on Get Started and sign up for this amazing tool. So go to AI Tools and then click on Remove Background. Upload your video. You can also drag and drop it in this area and then wait for it to load. You have to be with the play hat right in the beginning, okay, of the video. And then you select the mask. This will be automatically detected and it's going to separate foreground from background. And this way you can blur the background. So click on Blur Background, wait for it to load, and then you have options of how much you want to blur that background. Make sure you are clicked on the layer below yourself in the timeline because the background is what you want to blur. I would suggest that you don't go too crazy because it's not going to look natural, but you can experiment depending also on how your camera performed in the first place. You can also click the eye next to the blur option to see the preview before and after, so you can compare how much you actually blurred it compared to original. And then you can go export and that's it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, and if you want to sign up for Runway and do this, check the link in the description.